Hey everybody, Mark Stromwasser here with your service tip of the week, number 9. Today I'd like to share with you our in-house laundry department. I think this is one of the critical features that we offer here at Sunshine Rentals. We do everything in-house. We do not outsource a thing, and that is why our linens, our bedding, our towels get such wonderful reviews from the guests. Let me share a little more about our Sunshine Rentals in-house laundry department with you. The heart and soul of the Sunshine Rentals in-house laundry system are our 3 Continental 135-pound intelligent washing machines that are coupled with an Ecolab's Aquanomic chemical system, which is a low water, low temperature, and low energy requirement laundry process that gives us amazing finished products. We also have a 12-foot long flat ironing machine that not only dries, presses, and folds our top covers, duvets, and other linens. We also have a towel folding machine that sorts and folds our bath towels, hand towels, and bath mats to provide a consistent product each and every time. I hope that quick behind-the-scenes tour there helped give you a little better feeling for why our linens are second to none. I hope to see you next time on Sunshine Rentals Service Tip of the Week. For now, Mark Stromwasser signing off. Thank you for your business, your partnership, and have a great week.